Hey learners, so today you are going to need your My Alphabet Tracing book and you are going to open it until you see capital I. You need to be in a chair at a table and you need to have a pencil. I am going to have a marker so that you can see what I'm writing. So, capital I is a very easy friend to write. He's just a tall man with a top hat and little shoes. Tall man, top hat, little shoes. Tall man, top hat, little shoes. That's it. Tall man with top hat and little shoes. Trace on that dotted line. Easy. When you're all done with that, let's move to the next row and do it again. I like to make his top hat just a little bit bigger than, and his shoes a little bit bigger than what the paper has, so that we make sure that we know it's capital I. So go ahead and trace and give him the top hat and the little shoes. Remember, when we are writing, it is okay to make a mistake. It's not okay to not try again. Just erase and keep going. And if I'm going too fast, just pause the video and catch back up. Once you're done tracing, you're going to trace this one and you're going to write it. I'm not going to write it this many times. You write it as many times as I write it, okay? So I traced my capital I. Now let's write it. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you should have 1 you traced and 5 you wrote. Let's do it again in the next row. Trace that capital I, then let's write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to trace the word ice and write it 2 times on the line. I-C-E. I-C-E. One more time. I-C-E. Ice. Then we're going to write the sentence, I am fine. I, and then we drop down and write it. Am, A-M, that's a sight word. A-M, fine. F-I-N-E. And don't forget your period so we know the sentence is over. F-I-N-E. When you are all finished, you can take a picture of this and submit it to me on Canvas.